Nothing comes easy. There's no free lunch for all of us, including me. So you have to realize that for you to come up in life, whether it's in the field of football or anywhere else, hard work, commitment, passion, being honest to yourself are the most important qualities that you need. God has given us 24 hours. So you sleep for 8 hours, work for 8 hours, and keep 8 hours for all the other things. And if you really make this math, I think you can achieve everything. So you all have made this beginning, and I must compliment Keds and his entire team, all the coaches. It was a very hard decision for me when we opted out of I-League, when we opted out of the whole system of football at the national level. And then we deliberated and brainstormed and said, how do we do justice to this game of football, who have given us all the respect, everything that we did as a family, and the spectators, the crowd support, the Goan that's whole supported the family for football, and how do we repay back this to Goa? And we thought the best way is to make all of you all the most professional footballers in the country. And that's a vision that we have, that's a dream that we need to fulfill.
I can assure you, sir, that every endeavor to reach your objectives will be made. To the members of my technical staff, thank you for the buy-in. And the future depends on the we factor. I know it was never easy to adapt to my style of football development, but I can safely say this morning that I have a team of specialists in all aspects of football development. Together we can make the Dempo family realize their dreams.